Jabatan Perkhidmatan Veterinar JPV Terengganu mempelopori industri pemasaran susu kambing segar dengan lebih sistematik dengan membuka pusat pemprosesan susu kambing. Dan pusat yang beroperasi di Akademi Pengembangan Veterinar Jenang di Marang itu dikendalikan dengan kerjasama dengan sebuah syarikat tempatan Tenox Agribusiness Sendirian Berhad dan penyelidik Universiti Sultan Zainal Abidin Uniza. Taufik Adnan ada laporannya.
Pendekatannya adalah untuk membantu menjana pendapatan peternak dan pengusaha kambing tenusu secara kecil-kecilan di negeri ini. Projek perintis di antara Jabatan Perkhidmatan Veterinar Terengganu dan sebuah syarikat pemputra tempatan itu dilihat di antara salah satu langkah terbaik dalam mengatasi masalah isu pemasaran yang sering dibelenggu pengusaha persendirian seperti ini. Selain faktor jaminan terhadap kualiti dan mutu penghasilan keluaran produk susu kambing itu sendiri. Projek ini membolehkan produk tenusu dipasarkan tanpa perlu lagi memikirkan isu penghasilan susu kambing berlebihan dan lambakan setempat. Dari segi veterinar, kita menurut pengarah urusan Tenox Agribusiness Muhammad Haris Nordin, pada peringkat permulaan, pusat pemprosesan ini bakal mengeluarkan lebih 500 liter susu sehari dengan peningkatan kepada 1,000 liter sehari dalam tempoh 6 bulan.
Okey, memang mesin ini dinanti-nantikan lah oleh boleh kata semua penternak susu negeri Terengganu lah. Sebab masalah pada penternak sebelum ni adalah untuk memanjangkan tempoh hayat susu. Jadi dengan adanya mesin UHT ini, jangka hayat susu dapat dipanjangkan dan kita boleh tembusi pasaran-pasaran pasaraya lah.
Produk tenusu menggunakan jenama Kaprima ini dijadual memasuki pasaran tempatan pertengahan bulan ini. Mesin pemprosesan susu kambing berteknologi tinggi bernilai lebih RM700,000 ini juga mampu mencapai sasaran pengeluaran 8,000 liter susu sehari menjelang 2023. Taufik Adnan, RTM.
Assalamualaikum and good day to our lecturer Dr. Selva Kumar and for those who are watching this video. As an agribusiness consultant, we choose one company that markets goat milk based products, which is Tenox Agribusiness, or most well known as Kaprima. We also would like to thank Kaprima for allowing us to interview the company and getting information. So this video contains our company background, list of products, SWOT analysis, problems or issue, and the solution to these problems. So without further ado, let me introduce my group members first. My name is Nur Hafiza binti Yaakob.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad Arifin and I'm from 82235A.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Suranita binti Muhammad Sufian.
Before getting deeper, let's get to know Tenox Agribusiness Sendirian Berhad, which is breeders of Jamnapari breeds, Sanin, and suppliers of natural fresh goat milk. So first, let's go to company background. So Tenox Agribusiness Sendirian Berhad is principally involved in goods dairy farming and vegetable farming and has started managing Kaprima Hulu Suladang Valley Farm since year 2011. And this is the company's project manager, which is Mr. Muhammad Haris bin Nordin. And interestingly, the CEO and founder of Kaprima, is a Bachelor of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from the University of Sunderland, United Kingdom, and graduates and left his work as an engineer to start this company, with help from Veterinary Services Department and with his own capital of 200,000 ringgit Malaysia. And Mr. Muhammad Haris finally seriously raised 247 goats by opening a farm in Permaisuri Setiu, Terengganu. As you can see here, um, this is a UHT milk production machine that Tenox Agribusiness buy so that the products produced are guaranteed quality. And so that more people can drink goat milk. And as we know, the relatively short shelf life of pasteurized milk has resulted in development of UHT milk for ambient distribution, which has gained widespread acceptance and popularity in many countries. If you wonder what UHT means, is UHT is ultra high temperature and ultra pasteurized milk that comes in sterilized containers, and it's real milk, just like the kind that we buy in the dairy section. But its special pasteurization and packaging process give it a shelf life of several months. And in other areas, however, UHT milk has not been consequently in uh, has been accepted by the consumers because of the perceived cooked taste of the product, and consequently the need for extending of the shelf life of pasteurized milk without the negative flavor change normally associated with UHT, that has resulted in development of a milk product with taste similar to pasteurized milk, but with some of the obvious benefits of the longer keeping ability of the product that which brings Kaprima stands out with the dairy products in the current market. And for your information, 1.2 million ringgit Malaysia was spent by the company to purchase and install machines for the purpose, and that Kaprima become the first UHT milk in Malaysia. Okay, next, the as you can see here, the location of this company is based in Kuala Terengganu, Terengganu, Malaysia, which is Kaprima Hulu Seladang Valley Farm. Now, let's go to the service and products that are provided by this company. So basically, Tenox Agribusiness Sdn Bhd is the breeders for the Jamnapari breed, Sanin, and suppliers of natural fresh goat milk. So they also provided Kaprima Farmstay Hotel, where nature, goats, and rare pets mate harmoniously, and masculine recreational activities are provided and coupled with traditional and common indoor games, molding us with unique and go always beyond the ordinary hotelier. And this is the uniqueness of what Kaprima Homestay Hotel offers. The second one is for the goat milk products. Kaprima comes with 4 flavors, which are original, strawberry, corn, and chocolate. And the latest flavor that Kaprima offer is coffee latte. Okay. Interestingly, from the goat milk, Kaprima also produce ice cream. As you can see the picture here, this is the form of ice cream, like the Malaysian traditional ice cream. Okay, Tenox Agribusiness Sdn Bhd or Kaprima, other than the goat milk, they also produce the milk-based products such as the milk soap, as you can see here. After reviewing Tunoc's Agribusiness Center Berhad, we came up with their SWOT analysis. And for the first point, which is strength, Tunoc's Agribusiness Center Berhad is a local company. And this become ticket as a local company that makes them unique from the other company from the dairy industry. As we know, there is a small amount of local company in the dairy industry. And second point is product quality and freshness. The milk that they produce are always fresh and has high quality since using the UHT method. And the third one is fast production. Having advanced technology and machinery, Kaprima production are at its peaks as they are able to produce UHT milk in a big amount in a short of time. For the last strain is Kaprima milk is produced without dyes and preservatives. So this goat milk's uniqueness is that it is natural without dyes and preservatives added to it. So for the second point, which is weakness, Kaprima milk is high in price, and this weakness of goat milk is that um, uh, as we know that the economy nowadays for the goat milk has become the wants and not the needs. So having the high in price might lower the demand from the market. And the second one is high in cost in terms of production. Since the goat milk itself is also they got from other breeders to meet their expected production level. And the third one for the weakness is target customer. Some Malaysians are not a fan of goat milk since it has its significant odor to it. So some people would rather not consume it. Okay, next is for the opportunities. There are four opportunities. First is capitalize on MCO. When there is a war, there is also an opportunity. Since movement control order MCO being announced, people are staying at home. Gyms and recreational parks are closed. Hence, people are more drawn into leading unhealthy lifestyle. Since RMCO was announced, people complained that they have gained weight and added a few inches on their bellies. So therefore, this is where Kaprima opportunity comes, which is to cater to this market. This is due to the fact that their milk is healthier and cleaner than the other claim to be fresh milk. Second is health conscious people. It is an opportunity in relation to the previous point. Their milk is also beneficial and healthier to kids. And parents might want to consider Kaprima milk. And it's crucial that parents maintain their child's healthy development. Compared to the formula milk, Kaprima milk is a healthier choice for the continued growth of the little ones. And it all starts with good nutrition fresh from the carton. Okay, third is less competition. There is less competition as being the first UHT milk in Malaysia in terms of goat milk. So the fourth one is the majority of Malaysians are Muslim and want sunnah food as goat milk. So they would consume goat milk as they are accustomed to their religion belief as As a Muslim, they believe that goat milk is a part of their sunnah. Okay, the third one is trade. First is high competition. In dairy market, they compete with other major players, be it local players and foreign players in the market. Among their big competitors are Nestle, Good Days, Dash Lady, and Farm Fresh. Farm Fresh is also a local company, so they would be a competition, although they produce different types of milk. Uh, Second is new entrants. Upon their success stories, many local players are tapping the local state government to join venture with them in producing fresh milk and try to replicate their business model. So trades is from the foreign brands, and on the other hand is they are back with their respective countries funding in starting their platform in Malaysia. So therefore, this has the potential of taking away their piece of the pie. Okay, now after knowing the nature of business of Tenox Agribusiness or Kaprima, we will proceed to the problems or issue in this business. First, let's jump to the human resource management. Okay, human resource department is a group who is responsible for managing the employee life cycle. For example, recruiting, hiring, onboarding, training, and firing employees, and administering employee benefits. So currently, in Tenox Agrobusiness Sdn Berhad is facing problem where there are not enough employee to handle the business. Some are inexperienced. Therefore, inadequately trained employees are likely to experience poor job performance and increased level of work-related stress. So these employees are feeling unhappy and undervalued. So the chances of them searching elsewhere for progression and development opportunities will increase. So for the current scenario where movement control order are still being regulated, they found it's hard to agri- uh, the Knox Agribusiness in Berhad found it hard to maintain the workers as well as there are effect in the a cost to run the business and in need to cut costs. So since the growing opportunities in online marketing, this company is also still in lack in stuff that can bring them the name out to the online world. Uh,
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad Arifin and I will continue on the next issue. The second issue faced by Tenox Agrobusiness is a management issue. Tenox Agrobusiness produced their Kaprima dairy farm product at Ladang Lembah Kaprima at Marang, Terengganu. But they have a few issues regarding the management. The first issue is stock management. Kaprima Dairy Farm has almost 70 agents. They produce almost 60,000 bottles of milk per month, but the brand awareness among the customers are still low. Somehow, this is an issue on marketing section. So, the issue is all the stock produced was transferred or picked up by the agents, but the agents cannot sell it back because this product is not well known. The business cash flow seems steady for the owner as the agents take stocks in bulk, but it's contra for the agents as the product is hard to sell back due to lack of marketing. So, it shows that the flow of the product is not smooth. They also had to face high utility bills because the factory operates every day even though their demand is low. They need to pay for the cost of operating because they have to achieve the daily target of the production. Next, the company produced their own milk. This made them have to put extra money on food and maintenance of the goods. A livestock feed of survival depends on the ability to give sufficient or provide animal feed that is sufficient in its nutrient content and expensive uh, management costs and expensive in terms of management costs. This is because more than 70% of management costs come from feed costs. Rising feed price as a result of rising world fuel price have made it difficult for livestock project operators to place reliance on commercial feed sources. Therefore, it is important for livestock project operators to develop their own production of livestock feed resources or identify sources of agricultural by products that can be utilized as livestock feed sources. The next issue faced by the company is production issue. In addition to getting milk from their own goods, Tanak's Agribusiness or Kaprima Dairy Farm also gets milk from outside suppliers to support the small traders. But the problem is most of the milk problem comes from the pH of the milk. Sometimes the farmers send the milk that is spoiled or the milk is not in the best quality for their production. This will affect the production. They also produce milk using large machines. So if the machines does not work, they suddenly cannot operate. If the machine is damaged or blackout, it will decrease their performance level. It will be a problem for the process such as fill the milk and retort for ultra high temperature process as it fully use electricity. A little information, the Knox Group made their own bottle cap so that the supply is not cut off. Before this, there was an issue of insufficient packaging supply. The issue for labeling will be a problem if they use firewood, as they use water vapor or steam for labeling bottles. Lastly, the production of the milk is huge, but demand is low as movement control order. Many facilities are closed, so other operations are stunted as workers are not coming in large numbers. So that's all from me. But before that, let's watch a short video of production at Kaprima Dairy Farm.
So today, I will explain about marketing issue for Kaprima goat's milk. As we know, every marketer face different challenge, although they typically share similar goals and some teams are stuck on hiring top talent, while others are having trouble finding the right technology for their needs. Whatever the case may be, there's always at least one thing that can improve to turn the marketing into an even more effective revenue generator. Every business must have a competitor or other business that relates to their business. A competitor is a person, business, team or organization that competes against you or your company. In business, we call a close competitor a rival. In other words, rivals are the same size and make similar product. So here is another business that relate to Kaprima, which is Farm Fresh. Farm Fresh has Nubian goat's milk with many range of products such as Farm Fresh fresh milk, chocolate milk, yogurt drink that is made from goat milk. People generally know about Farm Fresh. This is because they have good marketing and always make something go viral. Therefore, Kaprima goat's milk need to increase their brand awareness. So, what is brand awareness? Brand awareness is the level of recognition and association by a potential customer towards your product and service. For example, if you need a cold drink, the chances are that you will think of Pepsi or Coke. So in Malaysia, when we talk about fresh milk from local product, people will think about Farm Fresh and many people did not know about Kaprima goat's milk. That's why Kaprima has low sale and production. Even though I also never taste their milk and really want to taste it soon. So, in this case, how to increase brand awareness? Kaprima need to marketing using a billboard and make advertisement in radio or television or use social media platform. As we know, people spend almost 2 hours per day on social media. On social media site, people will discuss, review and rate product. Launching is target campaign that can help to interact with customer and provide product and service according to their needs and wants. So, Kaprima goat's milk need to take initiative to live in social media every day to increase engagement like FB Live, IG Live and Shopee Ads. So, based on that, Kaprima goat's milk need to take the opportunity of MCO to increase online sale. To fulfill market demand, Kaprima need to collaborate with local breeder. This will give huge impact to Malaysian livestock industry. Maybe Kaprima can sign a contract between small farmer to buy their fresh goat milk. So, it will increase their production and at the same time, increase small-scale farmer income. Therefore, with the collaboration, it will revitalize livestock industry in Malaysia. So, as a solution, Kaprima also need to provide business opportunity to others through its home dealer networking system. So, home dealer and agent will become part of their value chain in terms of distribution of dairy product. Some home dealer can earn money by just distributing their products to night market, neighborhood stall, school, and directly to consumer. But during this MCO, their agent can promote Kaprima goat's milk on Facebook, Shopee, and other online platforms. Kaprima goat's milk also need to join marketing class and invite their agent or stockists to join it free to give knowledge about online business by spread awareness to consume goat milk. This is because goat milk is high in nutrition. Goat meat is one of the earliest known superfood. In fact, evidence show humans have been enjoying goat's milk millennia. Goat's milk is highly nutritious, contain essential vitamin and mineral, and higher amount of potassium, iron, vitamin A, and it is an ideal food for the whole family to enjoy. We need to remember, when join into business, don't think that you are already at the comfort zone. There will be a challenge that you need to face. Not only in business, but any job has certain challenge. This is the things that will determine of your credibility, it is best or vice versa. However, whatever the challenge ahead, there will definitely a solution. Remember what Nelson Mandela have said, it always seems impossible until it's done. So that's all from us. Thank you, stay safe and have a good day.